Hey, howdy, hey, y'all. Welcome to today's Mardi Gras collab with Tina H. Beautiful Journey and Andi Does Stuff. Tina H. Beautiful Journey is our host. She asked Andi and I if we would do a Mardi Gras look with her using green, purple, and gold. And we agreed. So here we are. And I have way too many palettes in front of me because I couldn't make up my mind. I have to be so extra in my choices. So let me show you what the palette choices are, and then I don't have a plan. Y'all know I just like to wing it. The first palette is this Alien Cosmetics, who is now Unearthly Cosmetics. This is the Not Normal palette, and I love this palette. It's one of my favorites. And it has greens and purples and yellows. They're not gold, but I have gold in another palette. But I really like this palette. And this green, which is not showing up on camera the way, there's a better representation of it. It's such a pretty green. So there's that one. And then I have the 3 Sydney Grace X Temptalia palettes. I have not yet used these, but these have some pretty greens in them. This one has 2 greens. That was the On the Horizon palette. And I love Sydney Grace formulas. They are really, really good. And then this one has some beautiful greens in it. This is Quintessence. Doesn't really have any purples yet. And the last one of these is this Radiant Reflection. It has these beautiful greens. This shade here kind of looks like a purple. Yes, I don't know. And then when she asked me, when Tina asked us about doing this collab, this is the palette that I thought about immediately. This is the Sorceress Palette from Jolie Beauty. Y'all ready for this? Look. Look at the greens and the purples in this puppy. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. There's no gold though. But of course I can pull the gold from out of the Temtalia palette. I really should use this one. I should, but, and here's where my dilemma comes in. This green, look at that green, look at the green. So I don't know, or maybe I'll just use a color from out of every one of them. It's only 5 palettes. So I guess I'll just lay these out in front of me and then decide what I'm gonna do. One moment, please. So I've laid all the palettes out in front of me. Purple, green, and gold. And I know where I'm going to start, what my transition shade is going to be. And I'm going to do, hopefully, a somewhat wearable look. But I might go crazy. I don't know. We'll see. You'll have to stick around to the end to see how crazy I go. So I'm going to start here with this Desert Spoon. And I'm going to use that as my transition shade with my Luxie 231. Sure wish I had a brown. Can I dial a friend and get a brown? Is that possible? That's pretty. Very pretty shade. So yes, I have been experimenting with my hair. Obviously, as you can see, I'm experimenting with the color, which I love. Love the color. But I know it kind of looks like maybe I might have curled my hair, but I did not. I'm just playing with products because I've never put a lot of products in my hair. Even though I've had several people tell me you need some product in your hair. But I don't. I just did not like to do that. So now, remember way back when we all had wings and bangs and we had to train them? So my hair has always been a little wavy. So now I've decided to train it to embrace the curl. I figured that there was some curl in there. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. So it looks a little bit of a hot mess because I don't know what I'm doing. You know, kind of like my makeup looks. But I am enjoying playing with my hair and the products to see what I can do. I don't like for my hair to feel crunchy, and right now it's not too bad though, but remember the sprunch spray and how crunchy it made your hair? When I was looking for a curl enhancer or something, I didn't know what I was looking for. I noticed that I didn't see sprunch spray anymore. It's like, what happened to the sprunch spray? I thought this was going to be lighter. It looks really light in the pan, but it's very pigmented and it's building up very well. And I'm not seeing any fallout. I really do love Sydney Grace formulas. Oh, I bet I could have used Mel Thompson's palette. So I'm playing. I don't know what I'm doing. And I'm going to go into that Sorceress Palette. And I'm going to go into Hocus. I'm not going to pick the pan up. I'll put a picture of the palette here and point out the color. It's just a very light purple. Is that purple? Looks purple. I'm using it. Andi and Tina may not think that it's purple, but it looks purple to me, and I'm just going to use that to kind of blend out this green edge. So I realized something today, because if y'all have been watching my videos for a little while, y'all know I like to research stuff. I realized today that I have led a very sheltered life because it dawned on me all of a sudden. And I was like, what is Mardi Gras for? How come I don't know what Mardi Gras is for? Now, you have to take into consideration that I grew up in a very small, very conservative little town in the middle of Virginia. So I'm blaming it on that. Even though I'm 57. And I've never been to a Mardi Gras parade. How many of you have never been to a Mardi Gras parade? Come on, let me know in the comments so I know I'm not the only one. I mean, I remember hearing about Fat Tuesday, but even then I was like, what exactly is Fat Tuesday? And that sounds terrible. I don't know. Alright, now what am I going to do? So far, I feel like I look like Yoda. The ears. Alright, y'all, I'm going to do something I've never done. I'm going to do a cut crease. I don't know how this is going to go because my eyes are very, very hooded and crinkled and crepey, but you know, you don't know until you try, so we're going to try it and see what happens. Hopefully I have enough concealer in this little bottle to do that. And the right brush. I do not think that is the right brush. That's okay, I have more. So there's my green cut crease. I'm going to take this packing brush and I'm going to go into, I'll show it up here again, Hallows Eve in the Sorceress Palette. And I'm going to pack that right up under that green. I mean, from what I have seen, you know, on TV of the Mardi Gras parades and different things, people get all dressed up in all kinds of crazy masks and different things, so that calls for a crazy eye look, right? Right? Mm-hmm. That definitely looks crazy. So here's where we're at so far. I still don't know what I'm doing. Little brush here. This is Emerald from out of the Not Normal palette. I'm just going to put this green in my outer corner, kind of over to the center, kind of blend it up into that purple. It's a really pretty color. I've actually worn this color to work. Not this intense, of course. Alright, so now I'm going to take this little rougher brush, it's a 03, and I'm going to go into Earthbound. I'll have that up here. Hopefully I remember what colors I used. And I'm just going to go over this to brighten it up a little bit. Does this make y'all think that maybe I've been looking at too many Instagram photos? In my inner corner, we will put the gold. Ooh wee. Does that look like gold? Let's see what happens. Yep. She's gold, right? Is that gold? I'm not sure. So tell me down in the comments, what do y'all do, if anything, for Mardi Gras? What y'all think? Am I looking festive yet? Oh, I got it on my cheeks. That's when you just smear it in and just let the glitter play across your cheeks. There's Biscuit again. Hi, Biscuit. What color are we going to put under? I think we need to do the purple. Do I want to do that dark purple or a purple shimmer? Let's go into Phoenix Awakens. It is a purple shimmer. I wonder what kind of look Andi and Tina are doing. They're gonna look like this too? Okay, so I need some lashes and some liner, and then we'll come back and do a lip. So I'm not real sure what happened. I went to put my mascara on and mayhem ensued. And this is what I ended up with. This is my Fat Tuesday Mardi Gras look. I don't think this is what Andi and Tina had in mind. Hopefully they won't mind. So I used almost all of the palettes. This is a very, very nice palette. These shades are very pigmented. This purple glitter is what I have on my eyes. And then this green gold glitter I have on my lips and a few other places on my face. Very, very nice. The glitters went on really easy. This is what I ended up with. I just saw glitter fly across the room. V, I have on my blue lipstick just for you, okay? I hope you enjoyed my Mardi Gras look. I will have a link down in the description box so that you can go check out Tina and Andi's videos. Watch their videos and show them some love. And while you're showing love, make sure you show that like button some love. It really does help out my channel. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. Pull your makeup out and play with it. This is so much fun. Find something to be grateful for today, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye. Christopher. Maybe you should try some glitters. But you have to have glitter glue. Maybe if you don't have any glitter glue, you can use Elmer's or whatever that stuff is that you use for the fish that I don't know what the name of it is. Okay? Mama loves you, boo.